Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing some scary games. Yeah, like some scary game. So, I've been playing... Why are you playing Castle Story? Join back to Airport. Okay, so I want... Okay, that was a notification.
Airplane 1. So
we can.
Airplane 1.
I'll show you. So I'll show you the secret ending that I saw from Lanky Box.
No, let's play Airplane 1 first.
Yeah, I'm on Airplane 1, and this is Roblox. The panda. Who needs a panda plushie? This is a girl. Han, go to this. Go this one.
Oh, it's the airplane?
Yeah. This is where you go to the airport.
I can't go in.
Not here, from
Okay,
there.
no. What are you waiting for?
Leave. Where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, I'm coming in. I'm sitting with you.
What are you waiting for?
I'm here. We have to wait until we go in the airplane.
How long will it take?
A few seconds. Okay, we're going. But then But let me tell you something. If you want to find out the secret ending, you have to go back to the back. Don't listen what Don't listen. You have to go back to the back of the plane. You have to go to the back of the plane to see.
There's an internet problem.
No. Okay, but
I can't play anymore.
so I'll leave the game.
No.
Should we play Arrow? Okay, I'm joining. I'm joining back to the server. Okay, boom. Okay, so no, I can't. You end it.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Oh.
No,
It's okay.
leave the game.
It's okay.
No, it's not. We have to play
Yeah.
together. Yeah, we have to play together, or else.
Ronald McDonald, he's killing me. Okay, what?
That is not even Ronald.
What?
That's not Ronald.
I need to look for B.
Okay, wait. Leave the server and join back. Because for me to show the secret ending to you, you have to join the same server as me. Yeah. So, yeet and join. Okay, so I'm waiting. Okay, so where are you? Okay, hi.
I lost you.
So let's go here. This one has a longer time, like 21 seconds.
What?
We have to wait.
No, you can't leave.
Yes, you can. You can just leave this. Okay, let's go to a faster one.
Yeah.
Okay, this one 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Come on. We're teleporting. Yeah.
They're telephone.
Okay, so we don't have to sit in this at the seat where we have if you want the secret ending. No. Wait. First we have to off it on it. Okay. It's resetting. Okay, so joining.
Yeah, you can join me.
I
have a race in.
wait for me. Okay, I'm
See,
in.
I'm thin like my character. See?
We're not
Thin
thick.
like my character. Let's
Join.
go for a shorter timing.
Oh, 24.
Oh no,
9 seconds, and it's empty. Come on here. Come on, join.
4 seconds.
Yes, you're
I
in.
can't join.
You're in.
Wait, what?
You're
Why
in.
am I like?
You're in. See, you're teleport. You're literally teleport. Yes.
Whatever.
Wait. You have to wait. Okay, that's weird. Yeah. Okay, you're in. I haven't even joined.
I'm H8.
I haven't even joined it. I haven't even joined the game. You know what?
How do we know which letter it is?
I can't join the game.
God. That's D.
Okay, guys.
That's it. E. F.
So, I can't join the game. The internet is bad. Wait, leave the game. You have to. Dude. Yeah, I'm already out. I have to join. Leave, join back. Okay, I'm gonna join. You join me, okay? Okay. I'm gonna go. Okay, why does this internet is the worst? This is the worst internet connection. Okay, I'll do it. But I can't join you since you're in the game already. Wait, you haven't gone? Don't! Okay.
Okay, I haven't gone.
Okay, wait for me. Join? Come on. Yeah, it's already mobile. But I still cannot join. Even if I have mobile.
Then try again.
Wait for me.
Why can't I leave?
Close it.
Ini lagi, bawa. Ya.
Sini. Look at her. I jump on top of her.
Okay, so I'm not just gonna join your face. I'm gonna join like the game. So okay, I'm in. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Come on, let's go this one. It's empty. Wait, we're just gonna be the two of us in this game.
Oh my god, that is so cool.
I know, right? It's like a private server.
Yeah.
You can only get privates J7.
D. I got a D.
Actually, don't go there. Don't use that.
I think I want to go there.
You have to go to the back to see the secret ending.
I think I don't want to see the ending yet. I want a good ending first.
Okay, first I'll show you the good ending. Okay?
Yeah.
Actually, don't sit at your seat that you are given. Sit near the restrooms because that's the way you survive.
Oh no, 14.
Come on here. Sit here. Come here.
But mine is 14.
Mine is J. That's C, B,
I
B,
can't find D14.
J. Mine is J. Oh, what? Ah, shit. Oh, frick. Mine is 14. Mine is literally at the back. I'm not trusting that. Okay, so go near the restrooms as near as possible. Don't trust your seat.
D14.
No, you're supposed to go to near the restroom.
Why?
I think you might not survive. Later, when the blackout, the snakes will come.
Oh, okay.
So then they will bite.
Why near the restroom?
Because you need to escape in the restroom.
Oh yeah, I think I have played this before.
I played it 100 times.
I've played it with you before.
Yeah,
I've never really.
but not on YouTube. Like because we weren't YouTubers at
So
that
they're
time.
just bad.
4,
So
3.
there will be like a blackout. Yeah, I know. Then there'll be snakes coming out of it.
Oh no, turbulence.
I'm sitting down.
How is that possible? Okay, no, because the turbulence. That's all I know. Okay, so I think I might know where to find your luggage. Like, but later one of us will be like allergic to mayo. You know, short form.
Dead.
No, we won't die until I find your luggage. If one of us find my luggage, I think it's. Oh no, who gets the mayo first? Will get the. Oh, don't eat it. You want to eat it first?
No.
Do you want to get the mayo?
No.
The allergy?
No.
Okay, fine. I'll get it. I did it.
Must someone get the allergy?
Yes. It's allergic. Then I'll say, oh no, I'm allergic to mayo. Okay, so my bag is at J14. Okay, go to J14.
Why?
because that's where I sit.
No. Sit next to the restroom.
I sit near J14.
No, go to the restroom.
I know, but then you have to pick up my bag or else I'll die. Come on. Come.
Where?
I think it's right here.
Here.
Yeah. Just tap on top. No. Here. Tap there. Zoom out. Then you can. That's Taj Baba's. No. Oh no, I can't. I might die.
Where's J14?
Right there. But then I can't seem to find. Oh wait, maybe it's at your seat.
Yeah.
Oh, found it. I found it. Here. I found it. It was at G10.
Okay, pull the blackout.
Okay, yeah, this is the part when the blackout. I know, right? It's so scary, right? Where the snakes crawl. Do you want to see the bad ending? First, do you know the good ending? Actually, the good ending is pretty boring. Like, you just save the plane. The good ending...
Blackout. Isn't it?
Yep, pretty much. Plus, it will be night. It's just the both of us. We can rule this plane together. It's like no one else is here. Just the two of us. See, this is the time. This is the time. Where the stay close to 5F. Okay, fine. I'll sit at F. You sit at G. Wait, actually, I think the restroom is at here.
It
D.
appears that we've lost energy.
Yeah. She actually has her own YouTube channel.
Guys, look.
Taji
What
Baba's
is that on the right wing?
Productive HP. That's her channel.
What is it on the right wing?
That's Ronald. That's actually Ronald. He died. And now he's like that.
You
Will not
will not
survive.
survive.
Yes, I will. Unless I'm with you, I will survive.
Snake. So does snake.
Yep, down.
So the snake comes at me.
Quick, there's a restroom. I'll say that. Yeah, I'll say. No! Come on, up! Go on one seat.
I can't.
No! Maybe. Why?
Will I respawn?
No. Unless you pay Robux.
Continue.
No. You're eating your body. Wait, what? Are you still talking? Okay, I'm in.
You died?
No.
Oh.
Wait, you know what? Let's just do
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I want to show you the... Okay, later I'll actually show you the bad ending. After I win the game.
You're in a room and this is about.
You know what? I won't play without you.
I'm already in an airplane. So just play.
Okay, but this time I'll tell you the bad ending. But actually, I want to show you with me. Like, the bad ending with...
Oh my god, it's only me?
Okay, I'm gonna leave this.
Seriously, what kind of game is this? I have to survive. Like, everything depends on...
I'm leaving the game, this game, and joining back. Because I can't do it alone with you, without you. Actually, I can.
Should I just go to the bathroom first? The restroom. Oh, it's not open.
Wait. You know what? Leave the game, join back.
No, it's okay. We're just gonna continue.
Don't. No. Why are you doing this? Okay, Okay, guys. This time I'm actually doing this alone. No people. Oh wait, this is the plane that you're in. This is the plane that you're in. This plane.
Yeah.
Only one player. Okay, this time I'll be doing this with, like, alone. Like this time, I'll show you the bad ending. Like on my screen. I'll show you the bad ending. But for that, you have to be at the back of the plane. You can dance, you know. Leave it. Teleporting. I'm doing this alone. Like now, I'll show you the bad ending. I'll show you. This time, I'll show you the bad ending. I really hope my seat is at the very back, so I can show you the bad ending. Okay, what? I got A13.
I got A13.
Wow. What? We literally got the same. Okay, so this is the
But there's
front.
nobody who's gonna eat the mayo, cause.
Only we will eat the mayo.
But should I eat the mayo? Then I will die, cause I have to find my own bag.
Yeah, me too. A13.
That's totally fine.
I'm gonna sit at A13.
I'll eat the mayo.
I'll eat the mayo too.
I'm gonna eat the mayo.
That's actually quite weird.
Oh no! Okay, here it is. Come here.
Feel free to explore the plane.
Oh, I'm not feeling very well. Okay, I need to find A13.
I think it's at your bag.
I can't find A13.
It's at the back.
Oh, like on the back of the plane.
Yeah.
Okay.
But not all the back. It's like the second last.
Like where?
Like here.
No,
Here.
13.
Here. Go there. Here. There. Yeah, here. Pick it up here. Quickly. No. You have to zoom out. Yeah, press there.
Okay.
Zoom out to see if it's in there.
Well,
No, it's not.
this says it.
No. Just press every of the caps to find
Maybe
it.
because I was.
Maybe it's in the opposite side.
Yeah, maybe it's, yeah.
That one? No! You might die. You might die in this one.
That's good that I died.
Faster. Faster! You know, if I look, it will be faster.
Why not you do it?
You know what?
Or it was
Since you're about to die, maybe, we can actually play this together. See the bad ending together. And you're dead. Ooh. Yep, I'm leaving and joining you
back
back.
to the lobby.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
So you can help me find my med.
No. At the bad. No, I'll help you find your med, but then we have to do the bad ending. 5, 4,
No, I don't want to do
3,
bad ending.
2,
I want the good ending.
1. Okay, fine. First we do that. Then I'll.
Can you eat the mayo?
Fine.
Because I'm really bad at finding med.
You eat the mayo.
Oh, C. I got a C.
No, if you eat them, I got
I
C13.
got C10.
Oh! We're sitting near the same. We're gonna be at.
Where's C? I can't.
I found it.
Like, I can't find C.
Wait, I know where is it. It's at the back. But then we have to find.
Oh, it's
But
right here.
but then if you.
Found it. C10.
I found C13. No, I'm at the back.
We're not near the restroom.
Can I tell you
Let's
something?
go near the restroom.
But then after that, we won't survive. Wait, no. After we sit in our seats, but then after turbulence, we go near the restroom.
Okay.
So then we won't take any damage.
Okay.
So guys, make sure you do that if you want to survive this. What are you doing? Don't do that. Okay, we're going under the bed. Yeet. We're in under the bed. Under the blanket. I mean, not under the bed. Okay, guys. So, we're in. Feel free to explore the plane. There is nothing to do, Mr. Captain. underpants. Or just captain. This is turbulence. It's almost high turbulence. Productive HB is not talking. So that's that. Come on. Okay, we might survive. Okay, turbulence is done. Let's go. Okay, here. Here, this is where the door... Actually, this is where the door is open. Here. At 5C. Sit at 5B. Okay, good. Now we might escape the snakes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you eat the mail. Because then I can find your bag. Okay. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
It's in my bed.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's gone. Look. Gone.
Okay, I'll eat
Oh,
it.
wait, how come?
What?
What?
I just...
You. Where's your seat? Where's your seat?
At the back. Wait, I'll find it because I'm pretty good. You just zoom out like very far and then you...
Where is your seat?
I might find it.
No, just wait. Where's your seat?
No, not here.
What did you see? That's C.
But then after that...
Where's the C?
But then I cannot find it.
C13 is right here.
No.
It's at the back.
Yeah, I think it's right here.
It's right here. C13. Wait, no. Yours is what? Wait, mine is C10. Yours is C13. How come it's not here?
I don't know why. I might find it. Found it. No. That's yours. I can't find mine. Oh wait, maybe I might find it. Come on. Yeah, I found it. I found it. It's right here. Boom.
How is it right there?
Okay, let's get back to C5 and CB.
I will do that.
Come on. No, you're supposed to go at CB. I mean C5B. Come on, let's go. Okay, this is the time of blackout. Come on, faster blackout. Make sure you go as fast as you can to this restroom.
What is there snake?
As fast as possible.
What about the snake?
It will come, but then make sure.
I need to zoom
Oh
out.
no, blackout. Boom.
I need to zoom out.
No, you don't. I'm very good. Okay, your screening is very bad. Guys, look at the bright.
I can't.
I see it. I see the thing.
Is it this
I
one?
see Ronald.
Is it this one? Or
That's first
the
person.
other one?
That's first person. You have to zoom out. You know, out there.
Can you zoom out?
Come on, snakes. Snakes.
I can't see.
Okay, wait, no! Come on.
I can't see. Am I out?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Snakes. I can't see. Can you help me with it?
Okay, come on. Oh, come on.
I'm out.
Okay, good. Are those snakes? Then later one of us will say that the door is open, then we can go. Yes. Okay. I know. So guys, there's
an
a
open restroom.
quickly wait.
Wait,
Let's go. No.
Snake killed me. I
Snake.
went to the wrong restroom, but I died.
Wait. I survived.
Ay, one, okay.
Okay.
Can I have this?
Okay, why do you keep on dying at that part?
It's so funny. So, guys, thank you for watching this part 1. See you in part 2.
Bye, guys.